This video shows every step involved in changing out a disposer. It's completed in 20 minutes, which is nice, easy, pleasant job. Apparently the disposer is leaking, as he shows you with his hand. Apparently I put this disposer in some years ago, and I can tell that by that yellow sticker, which has no area code on the telephone number. So you know how far back that goes. Reed has strapped his light to the inside of the cabinet to give him good lighting while he changes this disposer. The beautiful thing about disposers is 99 and 44/100% disposers are all coming from the same manufacturer, Emerson Electric, out in the Midwest somewhere. And they may have a multitude of names and models and all that stuff, Kenmore, GE, Syncerator, whatever, but they're all coming from the same place, and they use the same snap lock in the sink. So the proper thing to do is to just put another disposer in like the one that's there and not change the sink flange. Makes the job so easy. As you will see here, it's maybe a 20-minute job if things go smoothly. If the disposer is taking the drain water from the dishwasher, then you're going to have that white pipe that Reed took off the side of the disposer. That's the drain line from the dishwasher. And there's a plug in that pipe on the disposer that has to be knocked out of the new one. Mr. Doofus often doesn't know that or doesn't read the directions, and all of a sudden his dishwasher doesn't work when he puts in a new disposer. That's, a novice trick. And then the tailpipe coming out of the side of the disposer goes right into the 1.5-inch drain line under the sink, and that can usually just be reused or interchanged. Occasionally you've got some height adjustments there, but not too often anymore. So we'll watch Reed snap lock the quick disconnect right out of the side of the disposer in a minute and drop that thing out of the sink. I usually just grab it with my channel locks and twist it, but you got to get pretty good hold on it to unlock it. There it comes. He's got it now. So you give it about a quarter turn and then the disposer just drops down, as you see here. Sometimes you can drop it and then just rotate it and pull the tailpipe out of the drain pipe, but in this case Reed's just pulling the bolts out of the side of the disposer. And he'll probably just leave that tailpipe there and change it out with a new disposer. Always just reuse the Romex connector on the bottom of the disposer. There's the flange that gets thrown away. There's the disposer, and he'll pull that out. There's a new tailpipe, and he'll pull the disposer out, put it on its side, and bang out the knockout and fish the little plastic quarter out of the guts of the disposer, throw it away. And you would just watch him take care of those things.